In an era where environmental consciousness and smart spending go hand in hand, scrap wood has emerged as one of the most valuable materials in the world of DIY, home decor, and sustainable craftsmanship. It's more than just leftovers or cast-offs. Scrap wood is a powerful symbol of how creativity and responsibility can work together. When viewed through the lens of eco-friendliness, budget-friendliness, and accessibility, scrap wood becomes not just a practical choice, but an ethical and impactful one. As people increasingly seek ways to reduce waste, live sustainably, and make mindful decisions about how they decorate and furnish their homes, scrap wood offers the ideal solution. Hello there. Welcome to Kuki Decor, your go-to source for wood-inspired home design and DIY creativity. In today's video, we are diving into a world of scrap wood magic, where leftover pieces of lumber become the heroes of your home decor. Whether you have a pile of old planks lying around, or just want to explore eco-friendly DIY ideas, we've gathered the best beautiful and budget-friendly scrap wood projects to inspire your next creation. These ideas are easy to try, rewarding to make, and perfect for giving your space a warm, handcrafted touch without spending a fortune. To begin with, the most significant advantage of using scrap wood is its eco-friendly nature. We live in a time where deforestation, climate change, and the overconsumption of natural resources are having devastating effects on our planet. Forests are being cleared at alarming rates to meet the global demand for timber, resulting in the loss of ecosystems, biodiversity, and natural carbon sinks. But when we choose to reuse and repurpose scrap wood that would otherwise be discarded, burned, or left to rot, we actively reduce our contribution to this environmental crisis. Every piece of scrap wood that's used in a new project is a piece that doesn't have to be freshly harvested. In essence, repurposing wood gives it a second life and diverts it from landfills, helping to minimize environmental pollution and resource depletion. For those who are trying to live more sustainably and reduce their ecological footprint, using scrap wood is a meaningful and measurable step in the right direction. Equally important to consider is the budget-friendly nature of scrap wood. In a world where inflation continues to raise the price of everything, from groceries to gas to construction materials, finding affordable ways to decorate, build, or renovate is more important than ever. Scrap wood offers an incredibly cost-effective option for homeowners, DIYers, woodworkers, and small-scale artisans alike. Unlike freshly milled lumber, which can be prohibitively expensive, especially when it comes to hardwoods or specialty cuts, scrap wood is often free or extremely low cost. You can find it in leftover bins at lumberyards, discarded pallets behind stores, furniture left on curbs, or even as leftovers from your own renovation projects. The affordability of scrap wood also empowers small businesses, artists, and creators who want to start woodworking or upcycling projects, but are limited by the cost of entry. Being able to source free or cheap materials gives them the chance to experiment, develop their skills, and build their product line without heavy financial risk. It also allows more freedom to take creative risks and make mistakes, something that's often too costly when working with expensive raw lumber. This kind of accessibility is crucial for growing a thriving, inclusive maker culture. Which brings us to the third major advantage of scrap wood: accessibility. Unlike premium wood species or specialty cuts that are only available through select suppliers or expensive vendors, scrap wood is abundant, diverse, and easy to find. No matter where you live, urban, suburban, or rural, chances are you'll come across some form of scrap wood in your daily life. It might be a broken chair on the side of the road, dismantled shipping crates at a warehouse, fence panels from a neighbor's renovation, or plywood offcuts from a construction site. Often, businesses are happy to give these materials away for free just to avoid hauling them off themselves. This accessibility makes woodworking and DIY decor projects more inclusive and democratic. You don't need to have a lot of money or access to specialty stores to get started. All you need is a little creativity, a few tools, and a willingness to experiment. Scrap wood comes in all shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. You might find pine, cedar, oak, or mahogany, all with different grains and histories. This variety not only sparks creativity, but also teaches you how to work with diverse materials. You learn how to clean, cut, sand, join, and finish wood in different conditions, which helps build valuable hands-on skills over time. Additionally, scrap wood is ideal for beginners who may be hesitant to practice on expensive boards. Because the material is low cost or free, there's less pressure to make everything perfect on the first try. This encourages learning through trial and error, a process that often leads to greater innovation and confidence in woodworking. And for more advanced creators, having a ready supply of varied scrap pieces opens up opportunities for complex projects such as mosaic tabletops, patchwork headboards, or mixed wood sculptures. It's also worth noting that the accessibility of scrap wood strengthens community connections. Local buy-nothing groups, community workshops, and neighborhood cleanup efforts often include the exchange of old wood and reclaimed materials. This culture of sharing not only provides people with the resources they need to create, but also fosters a sense of collaboration and sustainability at the community level. By swapping, donating, or trading scrap wood, we reduce waste and help each other bring creative visions to life. In summary, scrap wood offers a perfect blend of eco-consciousness, affordability, and availability. It reflects a lifestyle rooted in sustainability, self-reliance, and creativity. Using scrap wood means embracing materials that have history and soul. It means reducing our impact on the planet while saving money and unlocking artistic potential. Whether you're furnishing your home, launching a small business, or simply experimenting with your first DIY project, scrap wood provides an ethical and accessible pathway to doing more with less. It teaches us to see beauty in imperfection, value in the discarded, and potential in the overlooked. So there you have it. Scrap wood isn't just a material, it's a mindset, and one that the world needs now more than ever. With just a little imagination and a few tools, scrap wood can be transformed into something truly spectacular. These budget-friendly DIY ideas not only help you decorate sustainably, but they also fill your home with warmth, originality, and charm. Thanks for watching. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, there's no better time to explore the endless possibilities of scrap wood decor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative woodworking and home styling inspiration. Let your next home upgrade begin with the wood you already have.